welcome back to my channel, and today is a really exciting day for me because today I'm going to make Sunday dinner for my family. Check out this beautiful center table. Right, so I had to change really quickly into this. So I've got my clothes on and I've also got my apron on. Now, let's get cooking. Putting the pepper on the lamb chop, has a pepper. So I've just put pepper on the lamb chops and I've just put it everywhere. And I've already washed the rice and washed my hands. So we're just waiting for that to get like boiled and we'll put the rice in. That pan, the lamb chops. So I just took a quick break so I can go get some baking butter and just came back to the house. So I'm gonna make a cake. So now I'm gonna be making like a zebra cake. So like on one side it's like white and then the other side it's like black. So like zebra stripes kind of. Set the oven at 250 and now we're just gonna put it inside. So now I'm just gonna put the lamb chops onto the frying pan. Okay, now I'm gonna even it out. Then I'm gonna get the plate and do the same thing. Oh god. Oh. And turn it around and 3, 2, 1. Here's the cake, the zebra cake I was talking about. But it might not look like zebra, but like inside if you put it down. And now I'm just mixing the mushroom. And here are the lamb chops. And we're just gonna put it like on the plate. And I'm just still like mixing the mushroom, just doing that now. Yeah. So this is zebra cake with vanilla ice cream. Everyone, thank you for watching this video. I really enjoyed the food and I can't wait to eat the dessert. So make sure you like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya soon.